What if you could buy a house with no money down and have a monthly payment that's less than rent? Guess what? I found it. This home is fully remodeled and ready for you to move right in. Imagine yourself entertaining in the fully open concept living area. This brand new listing is in the perfect commute location. I mean, you're only 1 mile to the BART station and 1.5 miles to the ferry. You have easy access to Marin County, which is only 8 miles away. To see this awesome home, or to learn about all the different programs that you could use to be able to purchase this home, all the links will be below, along with all the 3D virtual tours.